Hey everyone, the Lenovo Yoga 7 2-in-1 laptops, unveiled at MWC 2025, represent a significant leap forward in versatility and performance for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts. Available in 14-inch and 16-inch variants, these laptops are designed to cater to users who demand cutting-edge technology and seamless functionality. The standout feature of the Yoga 7 series is its 360-degree hinge, which allows users to effortlessly switch between laptop, tablet, and tent modes, making it an ideal choice for those who need flexibility in their workflow. At the heart of the 16-inch model lies the powerful AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors, equipped with a 50 TOPS NPU for advanced AI capabilities. This, combined with Lenovo's AI Core, ensures optimized performance and power management, enabling smooth multitasking even during resource-intensive tasks like video editing and graphic design. The laptop supports up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of PCIe Gen 4 storage, providing ample power and space for demanding applications. The display is another highlight of the Yoga 7 series. Both models feature a stunning 2.8K PureSight OLED touchscreen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 1,100 nits, and support for 100% sRGB, P3, and Adobe RGB color gamuts. This ensures vibrant, accurate colors and sharp visuals, making it perfect for creative work or enjoying high-quality media. The optional Yoga Pen further enhances the experience, allowing users to sketch, annotate, and interact with the screen in a natural and intuitive way. Despite its powerful internals, the 16-inch model maintains a relatively sleek profile, weighing 1.79 kilograms and measuring 15.85 millimeters in thickness. This makes it portable enough for on-the-go use without compromising on performance. Connectivity options are robust, featuring Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and a microSD card reader, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and accessories. The 70-watt-hour battery promises all-day productivity, which is essential for professionals who need to stay productive without constant recharging. While Lenovo has not yet disclosed the exact pricing for these models, the company has hinted at competitive pricing, which could make the Yoga 7 2-in-1 series an attractive option in the premium laptop market. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga 7 2-in-1 laptops combine innovative design, powerful performance, and exceptional display quality, making them a compelling choice for creatives and tech enthusiasts alike. As more details emerge, it will be interesting to see how these devices stack up against the competition. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.